Greetings and a warm welcome to MyGenie tutorial video designed specifically for the employers. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the simple process of registering as an employer on MyGenie. MyGenie empowers employers with knowledge, wisdom, talent, solution accelerators and outstanding customer service to deliver extraordinary results at much lower cost. Without wasting any time, let me show you how you can register at MyGenie in 2 minutes. From the home page, click on Sign Up to enter the registration page. Now select Employer from here. Select your title and enter your first name here. Enter your last name here. You can also add your middle name, but that is not mandatory. The fields which are marked with red asterisks are mandatory fields and needed to be filled. Date of birth is also an optional field. You can enter your date of birth from here. Now, enter the email address that you want to register with MyGenie, and press the Verify Email button here to verify the email address with OTP. Now enter the OTP that you have just received in your email and press the Submit OTP button. After successfully verifying your email with OTP, type and confirm your desired password one by one. Remember to make a strong password. To upload your profile picture, click on Upload Profile Picture. You can crop your profile picture like this way. Now hit the Sign Up button to register as employer with MyGenie. After you have successfully registered with MyGenie, open the login page, enter the email address and password that you have registered and hit the Submit button. Here, you will find the Personal Details for Employers page. Enter the state, city, and all other mandatory fields. You can also enter street name here. Enter office or personal email address, phone number. If you'd like, you can add your LinkedIn profile link here. Now click on this next arrow. In this page we have to enter professional details. Select company, role. You can also enter specialization and upload additional documents. Select the document type and upload it from here. Select industry, department, discipline and focus area. Now, hit Submit button to complete. Congratulations, you have successfully completed the registration process and entered into the employer dashboard. You can search for consultants from here. Let's type .NET Developer and click Search. As you can see, 222 high-caliber profiles based on .NET Developer have been found. You can search for products from here. Let's search for DevSecOps products. Based on our search, these leading-edge products have been found. On the right, you have the Ideas and Views section. Here, you can search for, read, and post ideas and views, white papers, best practices, photos, videos, etc. We have detailed user tutorials available in our official YouTube channel. Please check them out and feel free to contact us if you have any questions or need any assistance. Thank you for watching this video. We appreciate your valuable time. Goodbye and take care.